Hello. Today I would like to show you an instructional video on how to register online for a pilgrimage with Trinity Tour Travels. To get started, you will need to open up your internet browser either from your computer or your mobile device. Using a computer is preferred as mobile devices can look different according to the brand. For example, an Android will look different than an iPhone. Regardless, the prompts are the same. Once you have opened the internet browser, navigate to the upper left corner of the screen and type trinitytourtravels.com. Once the website is displayed, place your cursor on the menu bar where it says Upcoming Pilgrimages. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to register for the Prague and Poland Divine Mercy Pilgrimage with Father Nicholas Schuh. Simply click on the priest's name to continue to his page. As you scroll down, you will see the information displayed, including the trip, priest name, parish name, city, state, and date of the pilgrimage, and trip highlights. Let's say you would like to learn more and possibly register. Place your cursor on the box and click. In this screen, you will see three tabs on the right. You will have the opportunity to register by clicking Select, download the brochure by providing your email address, and ask a question to the Trinity Tour Travels team. Scroll down the page to read what's included on the pilgrimage and view the itinerary. To read about each day, simply hover over the text on the photo and click the specific day. So at this point, you have decided you are wanting to register online for the trip. Simply scroll back up the page and click the green Select button. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to select a single traveler as an example. Under Package, select One, which means that there is one participant for this pilgrimage. If you are interested in a single private room, click that selection under Extra Options. You will pay a $300 non-refundable deposit to secure your spot on the pilgrimage. Then click Continue. In the next screen, type in your first name, last name, and email address. It is very important to click Create an Account to manage your booking online. Create a password. Please record this password in a safe place as you will need it to log into your WeTravel account to make future payments and necessary updates to your account. If you have a preferred nickname that would like displayed on your name tag, please include this on the registration form. Type in your address, city, state, zip code, home phone, cell phone, which your phones may be the same number, which is okay. Please type in an emergency contact name and phone number. This is someone who is not traveling with you. Type in the parish name and spiritual director's name who you are traveling with. Enter your name and birth date exactly as it appears on your passport. Your passport number can be found in the top right-hand corner on the first page of your passport. Enter the expiration date exactly as it appears on your passport. Please be aware that passports must be valid for at least 6 months after your intended return date. Now it is time to upload your passport. You are in the process of applying for a passport, waiting for renewal, or if your passport is not easily accessible, please proceed to the next step. You will be able to upload your passport to your WeTravel account at a later date. If you have your passport, please press the Upload button, which will turn your computer screen into the camera screen. Click the camera icon, where you will be able to securely photograph the first page of your passport. Before clicking the camera icon, please make sure that it is a clear image and that all text and numbers can be read. Press Next to continue. Press Upload to securely save your passport to the WeTravel system. If you are registering for more than one participant, you will be able to upload their passport under their name and information the same way. If you know the name of your roommate, please enter their information here. In the event that you live in a town that is not easily accessible for international travel, a shuttle service may be provided by Trinity Tour Travels for an additional fee. If you would like to participate in this service from your parish to an international airport, simply click, I would like to sign up for the shuttle service. Most pilgrimages will not require a shuttle service. Trinity Tour Travels highly recommends purchasing travel insurance for international destinations. If you would like a quote from a well-trusted insurance company, please select your interest in receiving a quote for travel insurance. If you plan to seek travel insurance on your own, select Decline. Please thoroughly read our terms and conditions. Once you select Agree to the terms and conditions, click Continue to Payment. You will have an option to pay by electronic check or by credit card. Please be aware that when using a credit card such as Visa, MasterCard, or American Express, you will be assessed a service fee by the credit card company. If you prefer paying by e-check, you will need to submit your full name, bank routing number, and account number. These numbers can be found at the bottom of your check. Once you click the green Confirm Booking button, you will receive a pop-up screen that says you have booked your trip. This confirms that you have filled out the registration, paid your deposit, and officially registered for the pilgrimage. You will receive a confirmation email from Trinity Tour Travels stating that your trip is confirmed. At the beginning of this video, I showed you how to register for one participant. Now, let's say that you're wanting to register for more than one participant. Under Package, select the number of people you're registering for. You will then see that the deposit amount increases, depending on the number of people you're registering. Scroll down to participant number 2 to complete the registration. Based on the number of participants you selected on the first page, it will calculate the number of participants you will need to complete on this page. For example, if you select 2 people, yourself and say your spouse, there will be 2 sections to register. If you select 4 people, say yourself, spouse, and children, there will be an opportunity to register 4 separate individuals on your account. Payment processing applies the same as an individual account, and you will receive the confirmation email for the number of people you register. Now that I've shown you how to register as a single traveler or multiple travelers, Let's check our email for the confirmation from Trinity Tour Travels. The subject line will read Booking Confirmation. You will see the receipt for payment and a tab that says Manage Your Booking. It's important to keep in mind that the easiest way to log back into your WeTravel account to make future payments and changes is by referencing the confirmation email you originally received from Trinity Tour Travels. Simply do this by searching Trinity Tour Travels in your emails. You will need the password that you created when you register for the trip. When your final balance is due, click Manage Your Booking in your email. Once you are logged into your account, click Pay Balance Due on the right side of the screen. The final balance is due 90 days prior to departure. One final note to keep in mind. If you register individuals on your account, they will not be able to access this information on WeTravel. Any future changes or payments from these individuals will need to be made by you using your original login email and password. We hope this video was informative and we look forward to seeing you on a pilgrimage soon.